Mastering ISO 3864. Lean manufacturing's secret to operational excellence lies hidden in ISO 3864's guidelines. Where can its implementation guidelines be found? In the ISO 3864 standard, which specifically address the concept of lean manufacturing and its potential to optimize processes, eliminate waste, and enhance overall operational efficiency, thereby contributing to achieving operational excellence. The implementation guidelines for lean manufacturing in the context of operational excellence can be found in the ISO 3864 standard, specifically in the clauses 4, 5, and 6. Clause 4, Context of the organization, provides guidance on understanding the organization's context, including its internal and external factors that impact its operation. This clause highlights the importance of identifying opportunities for process improvement, reducing waste, and enhancing operational efficiency, all of which are fundamental principles of lean manufacturing. Clause 5, Leadership, emphasizes the role of top management in promoting a culture of operational excellence within the organization. This includes establishing a clear vision, setting objectives, and providing resources to support process improvements, which are all essential for successfully implementing lean principles. Clause 6, Planning, provides guidelines for conducting risk-based thinking and opportunity analysis, which are critical components of lean manufacturing. This clause outlines the steps to identify opportunities for improvement, assess risks, and prioritize actions to address them, thereby optimizing processes and enhancing operational efficiency. Additionally, Annex A of the ISO 3864 standard provides guidelines on process optimization, which is a key aspect of lean manufacturing. This annex provides guidance on identifying and addressing inefficiencies, eliminating waste, and optimizing process flow, all of which are critical components of lean manufacturing. The ISO 3864 standard also includes several lean-inspired tools and methodologies, such as root cause analysis, RCA, failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA, and continuous improvement, C, which are all essential for achieving operational excellence. Furthermore, the standard emphasizes the importance of continuous monitoring and evaluation of process performance, which is a fundamental principle of lean manufacturing. This includes the use of key performance indicators, KPIs, and other metrics to measure process efficiency, productivity, and quality, which enables organizations to identify areas for improvement and optimize their processes. In conclusion, the implementation guidelines for lean manufacturing in the context of operational excellence can be found in clauses 4, 5, and 6 of the ISO 3864 standard, as well as in Annex A, which provides guidelines on process optimization. The standard provides comprehensive guidance on implementing lean principles, optimizing processes, eliminating waste, and enhancing operational efficiency, all of which are essential for achieving operational excellence.